Hello and welcome to Your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video of this gorgeous X3 2-litre diesel M Sport X-Drive. 2018, below average mileage with only 19,000 miles on the clock, with two owners from new. Vehicles presented in black with black leather and fitted with some gorgeous styling upgrades which we've carried out in-house. Purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. I'll talk you through some of these features as well as having a close look at the condition and the styling upgrades. Not many of these around that look this good. 2-litre diesel economy, X-Drive, lots of boot room, plenty of leg room, and it looks very, very good. So the first thing you'll notice is these 20-inch wheels, which we've just fitted. Brand new tyres all round, high gloss black, 3-piece front splitter, again, expertly fitted in-house. LED headlights, twin slack kidney grills, front and rear parking sensors and reverse camera are standard on this model. Condition can only be described as new. It is very, very clean. Below average miles with a full BMW service history. Upgraded fenders bearing the X3m logo. Gloss black sidebars. Nice touch down the side there. And the upgraded mirror caps. Privacy glass as well. This lovely X3m style rear spoiler. Just adds a bit of definition and detail. And then we have the quad exhaust tips and the M Performance style rear diffuser. Currently badged, debadge is possible, no problem at all, free of charge. Electric tailgate, original mats, and you've got the parcel shelf. Let's have a look at that rear spoiler there, really, really good. Take a look in the back, lots of boot room, Isofix rear bench and a centre armrest. Rear climate control as well. Of course, 4 electric windows, you have the ambient lighting with the options of changing the colours, which is on the back doors as well as the front and through the dash panel. Electric front seats, heated front seats with electric lumbar support. Electric folding door mirrors, electric mirrors, and windows. Digital dash, so look at the exact mileage there, 19,488. Cruise control with speed limit and multifunction steering wheel. All the infotainment system is of course touchscreen, lots of features there. Let's take a look at the important service history. Full BMW, next service is due in 5,000 miles or towards the end of the year. Very tidy, physically in stock, ready to go. HPI checked, PCP and HP is welcome. Up to 5 years, we work with a variety of lenders. You can quote yourself on our website or give us a call. Thanks very much for watching, thank you.